One of the very first things Modi did after becoming Prime Minister was dismantle the Nehru Era Planning Commission and replace it with the national integration through the Niti Aayog.
एक ऐसा नए रूप रंग के साथ, नया शरीर नई आत्मा के साथ, नई सोच के साथ, नई दिशा के साथ, नए विश्वास के साथ एक नए इंस्टीट्यूशन को हम निर्माण करेंगे और बहुत ही जल्द योजना आयोग की जगह पर ये नई इंस्टीट्यूट काम करे, उस दिशा में हम आगे बढ़ने वाले हैं.
The idea was to convert bureaucratic socialist pattern where centre occupied no all big brother position with a Team India model where states took initiative with centre in advisory role. Chief ministers were made heads of task forces that gave recommendations on what they would want in their states. All this came from Modi's days as Chief Minister, where he would feel constrained with the one-size-fits-all approach of the Planning Commission.
If India is to be a $10 trillion economy, it is not possible that we are a $2 trillion economy and we have another parallel economy. We want everything to get formalized.
Second important decision was the implementation of the 14th Finance Commission recommendations that devolved 42% of total revenues from centre to states against earlier 32%. While this reduced resources available with the central government, the idea was to add to states' autonomy.
By 2022, we want to get to 8.5 to 9% growth and then sustain it. And I say this because all the macroeconomic balances that we have got are there in place along with the higher growth.
It was through the PM CARES Fund utilization that the PMO ensured equitable distribution of funds to states depending on COVID caseload. PM chaired disaster meets during cyclones, assessed damage wrought by cyclones, and announced relief packages for the affected states. GST Council meets have been successful in taking up concerns of every state. Every decision taken at GST meetings has been based on consensus from all states. With regard to COVID management, PM held a slew of meetings with chief ministers to monitor COVID situation, lockdown implementation, and also discussed measures to fight the pandemic.
In line with the Honourable Prime Minister's vision, Andhra Pradesh has taken the lead in the country in implementation of PMAY Urban. We have observed that majority of the urban poor do not possess a house site and therefore unable to construct a house of their own. We are very grateful to you, sir, for having sanctioned this 20.21 lakh houses.
Cooperative federalism has been ensured at every single step. Bureau Report, Republic TV.